How to cash a check. Bring a valid photo ID to any branch of your bank. Cash your check with your bank teller. Deposit the check, then withdraw cash from your account. Some banks may require you to deposit the check to your account rather than cash it. This is more likely if the check you are trying to cash is written on an account from another bank. You can deposit your check at one of your bank's ATMs. Modern ATMs make it easy to insert and deposit paper checks to your account. Use a mobile banking app to deposit the check. Many banks now allow you to deposit checks into your account using a smartphone. The process may vary between banks. That's it. Thanks for watching.